सुप्रीम कोर्ट के चीफ जस्टिस के खिलाफ रेफरेंस लाने की तहरीक कौमी असम्बली में मंजूर कर ली गई।
कमेटी में मोहसिन शाहनवाज, इस्लाहुद्दीन अयूबी, शहनाज बलोच और इस्लाहुद्दीन शामिल होंगे। रेफरेंस की तहरीक रुकन कौमी असम्बली शाजिया सोबिया सुमरू ने पेश की।
I move under the Rule 244B of the Rules of the Procedure and Conduct of the Business in the National Assembly 2007 that a special committee consisting of the following members may be appointed to prepare and forward a reference or references under Article 209 of the Constitution to the Supreme Judicial Council on the ground of misconduct as discussed in the National Assembly and on such other grounds which are available against any judge or judges of the Supreme Court of Pakistan as the committee decide. The references shall be filed at the earliest. Names of the members may be follows: Mr. Mohsin Nawaz Ranja, Mr. Khurshid Ahmed Junejo, Mr. Salahuddin Ayubi, Dr. Shahnaz Baloch and Mr. Salahuddin MNS.